Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the RevoNext 3.5 mm through 2-pin IEM cable. This is a 3-button with mic cable, so it has inline control and also has a mic, and it is for RevoNext IEMs, and also it works with other IEMs. So for example, this one that I have over here is the KC-CS7, which also is a 2-pin cable. As we can see, it's 2-pin. So I got this cable so that I can use it with my KC-CS7 earbuds that I have here. Because this cable that I have over here, this is the stock cable that comes with it, and this one also have a button and a mic. This is the mic version, which has a microphone, of course, but it only have one button over here. And this cable sometimes seems to misbehave. Not every time, but sometimes. And you know, I don't want to use a cable that misbehaves with my phone or with a DAC that supports inline control. Like for example, I have here the Google USB-C to 3.5 mm cable, and it supports inline controls as well. Yeah, so using a cable with inline control sometimes is messy if it's bad. So because that cable had only one button, this one have 3 buttons, which lets me adjust the volume, which also this dongle that I have here supports, as well as other dongle. Some phones even supports volume controls. So I'm going to be unboxing this cable so that I can use it with my IEMs that I have. So I'm taking off this to open it, and here we have the cable. This is the cable. As you can see, the pins are a little bit longer, but it should fit the KC-CS7 because it's a 0.78 millimeter cable. So pins are compatible. The only exception is that it's a little bit longer. So taking off the cable, here you can see it, and there. And you can see it's a 3-button. It has the volume up, volume down, and of course the main button to answer calls or start and stop music, pause music. So we can see it's a 3.5 mm connection here, and it should be compatible with the KC-CS7. If I take it out, if I take the cable out, let's take the other cable out. So this one is for the right channel, and I have here the right channel. Yeah, so it should work if I just plug it in. There you go. So it enters so yeah, it is compatible, you can see. And so I'm going to plug the left channel. Let's insert it. Letters facing the same way, so left goes with left, and there we have it. So now the real question is, will the inline buttons work? Let's test it out. And for test it, I'm going to be using my Hy-Vee R3, which I have over here. So I'm on Tidal right now, and as you can see, this is an album, and if I connect this if I play a track, of course, let me just initialize it, and okay, I'm going to stop it. If I connect my USB Google USB-C adapter, you can see it says USB-C connected. So now if I plug in the cable and I press the middle button, it works. You can see it's responding. And if I press the down button, you can see it's working as well. It's turning down the volume, and the up button as well is working. So this cable works for that purpose. And of course I can listen to my music using my IEMs, my KC-CS7. This album, by the way, is the Deconstructed by Disney, Walt Disney Records. I like it because this album has remixes of songs of their movies, and you can see the track list here. It's a good album to play back with some IEMs like this one. So yeah, we can see that the cable in fact works. If I press the button here, you can see it's playing back. If I double press it, Yeah, sorry, double presses doesn't work with this adapter. It just plays and plus it. Well, at least it doesn't work with this with the HiVR3. I don't know, because this adapter is specifically made for the Google Pixel phone, but it works with other devices as well, so it works. So yeah, there we have it. So let's take it out. This is the RevoNext IEM 2-pin IEM cable that is compatible with KC headsets, that IEMs that I have here, and it's a good cable to add a microphone and 3 buttons to them and enjoy your music. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video and overview video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends, of course. And thank you for watching.